Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by Esprit Miami. Their flowers mean business.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, we're creating a hand-tied wedding bouquet out of beautiful roses from Esprit Miami. One of the things that I love about Esprit are their roses. They perform so well and come in such unusual, unique colors. Esprit's slogan is "Our flowers mean business." And that really is true, especially when it comes to their roses. Look at this one, Hot Lips. What a great red rose for Valentine's Day. I love Free Spirit. And notice that this rose is opening up. The performance is great, and it still looks wonderful, and it will hold open like this for days and days. So don't be afraid of a rose that opens up. That's what roses are naturally meant to do. This beautiful yellow, Butterscotch, is incredible. And it doesn't stop with their roses. Here, I've used some of their Juliet Garden roses in a vase along with some of their Peach Claro carnations. So here's a great little trick. In this vase, I've simply got 6 of their Juliet Garden roses, but I've used the matching Claro carnation in between. That's right, carnations and garden roses together. But it looks like I have an entire vase of peach coloration. And our eye is naturally drawn to those garden roses. So it's a great way for us to extend it. We can also work with colors like this. Here I've used several types of their roses. We have Kate as a garden rose. We've got Cherry Folly, which is one of their beautiful spray roses. And then this one's called Silver Shadow. Now, in amongst that, I added, again, Claro Gigi carnations and then some of the Purple Cezanne roses. But to bring the blue all together, I used their Great Magic Eryngium, too. The combination of these roses together looks amazing. The Silver Shadow has a wonderful blue cast to it. You really need to see this rose in person because it has so many great nuances. And that, along with the Cherry Folly, looks so great together. And remember, when you get in garden roses, give them plenty of time to open up. I've had these guys for almost a week, so allowing them to open up is going to let them develop and be as beautiful as they possibly can. So then, when I'm using a cross-weave ribbon like this, it starts to bring in both colors. We get the pink and the blue together. Now here's another great trick. We'll add some ribbon, just the way I always do, using a stick, and we're going to push it right down into the foam. But look at how that great cross-weave ribbon starts to bring up all of those colors. It brings in that Silver Shadow, it brings in the Magic Eryngium, all of that looks great. And here's one more trick too. We've got a great little vase lid. This is the chair glass top, and I simply inverted it, and then I can place it into my vase. So it's a container at the same time, and it's made of 100% post-consumer recycled glass. So there's lots of tricks that go together when we're creating wedding work. Let's create a hand bouquet out of some of these magical flowers from Esprit. We'll use the Kira Garden roses, some beautiful pink spray roses. I love this, their new Ticino carnations. It's a mini carnation that has a feather-like appearance. It's a special mutation and it lasts incredibly long. And finally, the Faith roses. This rose is absolutely incredible. And it brings all of these colors together. We'll add a little bit of chocolate cosmos too for an accent. love the combination of these flowers. They're such subtle colors and they go together and transition so well. The other thing that's important about this is texture. Color and texture are so important to today's brides. So using the Ticino carnations and the chocolate Queen Anne's lace together add texture to this along with the different sizes of roses. People love open roses. It's great because the Kira provides fragrance and the Faith Rose has such a wonderful transitional color. Binding these together with a craft wire allows me to have a very naturalistic bouquet. We'll finish it off with some Chrysal Professional Glory, and then it can go directly into a vase. Now, if we're using it for an event and we want to provide a water source, Arrive Alive is perfect. For this size bouquet, I would use the triangle. For a larger bouquet, I would use the S block. Then the flowers would have a water source. Or, if you want to have natural stems, you can just drop them into a vase and send them on their way. Esprit flowers, especially their roses, are incredible colors, and they provide such a diverse palette for you to create beautiful wedding work. Until next week, keep having fun with flowers.